Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Coinbase price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis starting on the daily chart. For the overview here between bullish and bearish scenario, as you can see, we have WXY, three waves toward the downside, three waves up, of course, finished as an A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And currently we're looking at a big expanding flat toward the downside, potentially hitting the 1.38, 1.618. And of course, this expanding flat is a three ways down for a wave A, three ways up for a wave B, and you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to hit this blue box perfectly, of course, potentially for a wave B as well. That it can be, of course, leading for higher prices after having, of course, here finished wave A, right? As, of course, this wave A can be A, B, and a C toward the upside. Now, in case, of course, that the market has found the psychology here, of course, we are in A, B, and a C toward the upside. In case we are in three ways down and three ways up, you're looking for something like impulsive toward the downside, unless we're looking at a big W, X, and a Y. Meaning, this scenario here as a big W, X, and a Y can be added as well here. As a, of course, corrective scenario, but that means after this correction, you're looking for as well for higher, meaning your wave A, B, and a C toward the upside. The same scenario, moving for higher here potentially, but we will need, of course, still to hit the target at 143, 123. Now, if we move inside this wave on the 4-hour chart, inside this wave on the 4-hour, we are looking here definitely for this 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 3 is very, very close to hit the 1.618. I'm gonna zoom in. So as you can see here, we have a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 4 actually still looking, this one, wave 4 was given for 1, 2, 3, 4, already hit perfectly. And then moving now toward the wave 3, very nice, everything working perfect with our scenario. Now a new wave 4, which is a bigger wave 4, might unfold, of course, after hitting the 1.618 here. So wave 4 as an impulse is the following scenario where we might hit, of course, between the 0.23 and 0.38 for this wave 4. It's a new one. So after this, we might, of course, see, of course, this one. Here we go. And in red. And after, of course, hitting the perfect fib levels here, if we want to have some confluence between the wave 1 here and the wave 3, let's say it's going to hit exactly the 1.618, as it usually does, actually. You see now the confluence between those targets. Yeah, you see the confluence inside the blue box. So very, very nice. I'm very convinced with this target. Let's remove the 1.618. So you see the confluence is very, very nice. So I would say even 140 as a psychological number, very, very nice as well. 140 will, of course, trigger a wave C toward the upside, guys, for Coinbase. Yeah? So very, very nice setup. Here we go. Yep, so these are the updates for Coinbase. This is what we're looking for. So 4 and a 5, and then continuation for higher for a wave C in the blue scenario, of course, after finishing this wave B. Now, our wave C, of course, can be the targets given later on. Those are the most bearish scenario, but yeah, very high, very far scenario. The wave C targets can be, of course, in this case, just virtually what we are expecting as projection. In case we're gonna hit the 140 here as a wave C in a zigzag or in a regular flat, actually here can be the following. Now those are logarithmic fibs. Let's start with the normal fibs first before moving to the logarithmic. We're aiming to 400. Yeah, 400. Dollar for the blue box for a wave C. So these are the scenarios. Yep, so that was it for Coinbase. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.